Hi guys, I will be your mentor for the course Introduction to Ancient Civilizations. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zahir Hussain. I have done my master's in archaeology and I have done my MPhil in Asian studies from Quaid-e-Azam University, Islamabad. My research interests are prehistoric Balochistan and Harappan civilization in Balochistan. And I will be teaching you guys this course weekly. And I will be covering three main civilizations, the earliest three main civilizations. The first one is Mesopotamian civilization, the second one is Egyptian civilization, and the third one is Indus Valley civilization, which is also called Harappan civilization. I will be covering some main questions, simple questions. For example, what, where, why, how, and when. To make it simple for you guys, I will be discussing the origin of these civilizations, the geography, the culture, the socio-economic system, the political system, the religious system, and the like. Thank you very much. I hope we will have a great time during this course. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know about those questions or suggestions. Thank you very much.